Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this 6 feet pre-lit artificial pencil Christmas tree. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it all opened up. We're gonna put it together and I'll show you what it looks like. This Christmas tree is made of high-quality PVC material with 972 PVC branch tips. The hinges are made of metal, which not only give it strength and durability, but it makes it easy to put together. The tree comes in 3 different sections for quick and easy setup. I love that the metal stand has non-slip foot pads on the bottom, which not only gives support and balance for the tree, but it also protects my floors from any possible scratches. To put this together, all we need to do is set up the foldable metal stand, put the 3 different sections together, and then all that is left is fluffing up the branches and start decorating the tree. This tree comes pre-lit with 250 color-changing LED lights and warm white lights. And we have 10 different color modes that we can switch around to enhance our holiday ambience. The included controller helps us switch from one mode to the other depending on our preference or mood. If you are looking for a pre-lit artificial Christmas tree with a lifelike appearance that is quick and easy to set up to offer a gorgeous holiday decoration for your home, office, holiday party, or even classroom, this is definitely worth looking into.